Welcome to Easy Cash Out. Subscribe now for more updates. Alright, so guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So right now, I want to show you a new site, new launch site that pays you dollars for just watching videos online. So guys, I wouldn't like to waste much of your time, but check in the description link of this video. I'll be dropping the link to that site, so you just click on it, sign up, and start making money online at ease. So if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification icon so you get notified when I'll be dropping a new video. Right on this channel, guys, I only drop videos on how you can make money online and how you can be creative using just your smartphone. Without wasting much of your time, let us visit the site. I've already copied the link to this site, so I'll just paste it and visit the site. So guys, you can actually check in the description link of this video to actually get the link to visit this site. Now this is the site. You can see here they say earn money watching new videos online, and how does it work, all over that. But I'm gonna take you guys on this step by step, so don't skip, just follow, and at the end I'm gonna show you a bonus on how you can make big, how you can make a lot of money from this site aside from watching the video. So just kindly stay tuned to this very video. Now what you want to do is for you to just click on get started, allow it to load up. So right here you have to fill this form here. So yeah, let me just pick the name, easy, then cash out. This is just a tutorial, and that's why I'm doing it this way. Then birthday, let me just put 10th 11 1999. If you don't understand anything here, able to ask questions, please. So in the gender, I'll just leave it on mail. So write in the email here. I'm not using Easy Cash Out. I'm going to use Mastermind Concepts 247 at gmail.com. Now once you've put this, you come here sorry about that, and you put password. This is going to be the password. Pass 234. So the next thing what I do now, you need to verify that you're not a robot. You click on I'm not a robot. So right here you'll be asked to verify. So what we want to do next here is to motorcycle. Okay, 1 2 3 and verify. So as you can see now, after doing this, the next thing you want to do is to create account. Create account. So guys, right now as you see, I just create an account, and of course I've received $5 free of charge. They just credited me $5 free of charge. So that's why you need to click on the link so you get credited $5. Use my referral link in the description link on this video if you want to make this $5 free of charge. If you sign up, you get $3. So this is site, guys. So right now, as you can see, I just earned $5 just by signing up. So the next thing I want to do now, if I watch this video, I'll get paid 0.61 cent dollar. If I watch this one, 0.32 cent dollar. As you can see, this is how this site works. Now this video is available after 0.34 seconds. So if I watch this video on YouTube right from this channel, they paid me. So right here now, guys, if you want to earn extra earnings from this site, what you need to do is this. Sorry about that, let me just clarify that. So what you want to do is this. You come to here, you click here, and it's going to open. This will come up first, but just ignore this. You need to ignore this and click up, come again, and visit the site again. Then right now, guys, so what you want to do right now is to go to my account. Okay, so you see dashboard, referral, profile, withdrawal, logouts, and all of that. So the next thing you want to do right here, if you want to win big from the site, all you need to do, okay, let's say like if you want to withdraw from this site, you can actually make withdrawal. You click on withdrawal, and it's going to bring you straight forward to this page. As you can see, this withdrawal, you can withdraw $100. That's the meaning. If you want to withdraw with on Western Union money transfer, you can withdraw from here. As you can see, these are the options we have. We have PayPal, we have web money. You can withdraw from web money, and we have Payoneer. You can actually withdraw from Payoneer. $80, you get paid. So the next thing you want to do right here now is this. It's as simple as this. You go back here and go to my account. So right on this my account, if you want to win big, like I promised you guys, I'm going to show you a trick on how you can win big from this site. The next thing you want to do here now is to click on referral. You click on referral. As you can see, the referral has opened up now. So now what you need to do here, you click the WinTube, you click on the link and you copy. So once you copy this link, paste it anywhere, and if anyone signs up, then automatically you earn extra $1 for yourself, and your friends also earn for his or herself. So guys, this is how it goes. I'm gonna stop for here. So if you are new on this channel, why not subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified when we drop a new video.